Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Damaris Everyday and I am Damaris, and it's been a minute, so thank you so much for being back with me. Tonight's video is just a nail haul for Kiss Nails Halloween edition. Every year Halloween comes out with their look at like a variety of limited edition faux nails. So this year I bought a little bit more than I normally do, so we're just gonna jump right on in. So these, I love these, the red vampire nails with the blood, and there's the glitter, the silvery white type of glitter. They normally come in a pack of like anywhere from 24 to 28. Those have 24 and they glow in the dark. So if the cool thing about it is that most of these nails in the collection do glow in the dark this year, so I am pretty excited about that. They're a lot of fun. I'm wearing a pair right now, so let's just keep this moving. All right, so we also have these are the glittery ghost nails. These glow in the dark too, although I'm not sure which ones do. They don't all glow in the dark, but I think like some of the select nails glow in the dark. Like the nails that I have on right now, I know the candy corns glow in the dark. So yeah, those glittery nails, more than likely the pumpkins glow in the dark, but basically all of them, pretty much all of them glow in the dark. Maybe a couple of here don't, and they'll say, you know, whether they glow in the dark or not, and they come in a pack from 28 to 24 nails to work out, and they are $5.95 I think at Walmart, so yeah, check that out. So these next ones, the Witchy Symbols, the black matte and the silvery white glitter on it. Love these are actually my favorite. I got a couple of these too. So again, these glow in the dark. You can see the sticker at the bottom, so cool beans. Yeah, these are really cool. So I would suggest definitely picking them up because they're like $5 and some change. So we'll say like $6. They are at your local Walmart, and you know, why not have a little fun? It's good to stock up, you know, on some variety. So these are like a glittery matte blue coffin nail. These come 28 in a pack, and they don't glow in the dark, but they don't need to. These are some badass nails, so I could definitely see me wearing these more than, you know, just for Halloween. These nails are not just for Halloween. You know, if you like a darker aesthetic, and you know, if you like that sort of thing, definitely I would say pick these up. They're fun. Right, and so these, another one is staple. I have so many black matte nails, but I bought these anyway because, you know, I do wear a lot of just plain black, plain burgundy matte nails. So 28 in a pack, fits my fingers good. $6, again, why not? And these are a spider? Yes, they are. These are really cool. I love the gold glitter, the spider webs, and the matte black. And the cool thing is that inside of this box are some accent nails with little spiders on them that have rhinestones on them. So pick these up. These have a bit of a surprise going on. It's a really cool. The spider webs, of course, you can see they're the whiter nails. Those are ones that glow in the dark, and the ones with the spiders on the inside, those glow in the dark too. So I would definitely say pick these up. They are absolutely adorable. I would have wore those first, but I kind of fell in love with the ones that I have on now. So all right, so these grays, I love these. They're crosses on the rhinestones are crosses, and then the like the white parts of the nail, those are glow in the dark. And then you have a matte gray long coffin, and then some glitter. I mean, how can you get mad at these? I mean, really, you can mix and match these up too. That's really cool. And again, most of the glow in the dark ones are 24 in a pack. So yeah. And these, I have these on, and I could not wait to put these on there. So adorable. with the candy corn and the stars and the little jack-o'-lantern face. You know, those are just absolutely adorable. The ombre ones, I've thought that those would be the ones that glow in the dark, but just a newsflash, they don't. Those are not the ones that glow in the dark, but the candy corn, the stars, and the jack-o'-lantern face, they do. So yeah, I love that one. Those I can actually speak on because I'm wearing those right now. And again, yeah, these I bought several packs of. They're definitely a staple. I don't know why I love these so much, but hey, what you gonna do? I'm not normally the one for like really campy Halloween type of things, but I love looking at these. They're so cute. So cute. So where are we now? Okay. So yes, all of these gorgeous nails you can find at Walmart. And definitely I would say give them a try, look them up. You know, there's more too. You know, and these are just the ones that I got. So I would definitely say check out Walmart. They're on display right now. Plenty, you know, to the one that I go to. So yeah, I would say check those out. And actually, we're going to talk a little bit about the ones that came out the years prior to that, because I still have a lot of those. I bought a lot of those too, because they are staples for me. One of which is these. I think these came back this year too, but I think these come back every year, like the black and blood red ombre, long, super long, limited edition nails. These my sister got for my birthday. I didn't really get these because it's like I type for a living. You know, I have to type and I have to use a computer, and I'm like, hey, this is gonna get all over me. I don't know how I'm gonna do it using a small laptop computer when I need to. So I haven't really ventured into those yet. But these are definitely my favorite. The long coffin, iridescent, neochrome, whatever you want to call it, I don't care. Chrome type green mermaid nails. These are absolutely adorable. These were last year, and they were really hard to find. So I just, everywhere I went, I bought like maybe 2, 3, or if it didn't matter how many I had, I was like, I'm buying all of these. No, I don't sell them online for like $40 a pop. I just keep them for myself. And these are another ones that were my favorites. The shorter ones, because they're absolutely adorable. They're really cool. I love these. Just really chic and functional. Sorry. So these are my nails. Yay! You guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. This is just a quick nail haul showing you what Kiss has out this year. Again, you can find them at Walmart. They're like $6, really affordable and adorable. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay safe out there. More to come. This is just a small brief update, but thank you so much for joining me, and enjoy.